Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the A.O. Smith EWS instant water heater. There is an illustration of the water heater right on top. As you can see, it's written 3 liters. It's a 3-liter water heater and it also comes with 5 warranty on tank. We'll take a look at what other specifications we can gather from this box. Nothing on this side. Okay, there's some information on this side. It said get instant hot water with high-powered glass-coated incolloy heating element. Longer life in toughest water conditions with blue diamond glass lined tank. Designed for high-rise buildings with 8 bar pressure rating. Stronger construction quality with tank thickness of 2 mm. Twice compared to an ordinary instant water heater. 5-year tank warranty and 2 years on product. That's all the information we have on the box. I will now open this and show you what's inside. Okay, so this is what you'll find inside the box. Right off the bat, we have a user manual. Let me just give you a look. Some documents as well. So there you go. This is a user manual for the A.O. Smith instant water heater, the EWS instant water heater. It's a 3-liter version. Okay, this is basically a serial number attached to this particular product. And this is a warranty card from A.O. Smith. You should not lose these documents under any circumstances. There's another packet that has some screws and paraphernalia for mounting this on a wall. There you go. This is what you will need when you want to when you will mount this on your bathroom wall. And this is what the instant water heater looks like. This is basically a geyser for your bathrooms that you attach, and that's it. You connect it to your water lines, the inlet and outlet, and you're good to go. All you have to do after that is make sure it's connected to a power cable. Generally, these geysers don't come with a plug. As you can see, you'll have to get it from outside source, and you will obviously need a 15 ampere plug for this. This is what the water heater looks like. There's A.O. Smith logo right on top. This is made out of ABS plastic material. It's a solid plastic material. You're not going to break it anytime soon. Also, this is a 3-liter water heater, so it weighs approximately around 3 to 4 kilos as well. At the back, you will notice these are the 2 holes where you will be mounting this particular device on when you are going to mount it on the wall. And underneath, you obviously have 2 outlets. This is your water in and this is your water out. The installations are all listed in the user manual, which you should read at least once before you attach this. And also it's written electric supply should be disconnected before opening the unit, which is a no-brainer really. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the A.O. Smith EWS instant water heater. Thank you for watching.